Hi everyone, this is Sly with the Master Quest Jabu Go mode routing tutorial for the standard rule set. In this first room you just have to shoot the cow on the left and then you can backwalk to the door. In this room, set Furore's Wind immediately. Then you can jump down so that you don't have to dive under this wall. Side hopping onto the switch seems a little bit faster. Then you can immediately return using Furore's Wind. In this next room, we're going to set Furore's Wind immediately once again. There's a cow switch and some boulders on the wall that we need to hit to move on to the next room. From here, we can stun the electric sponge with a boomerang, and we'll also get out Din's Fire for the next room. You can backflip into a gap here in order to avoid having to climb over the electric sponge. Here I drop a 2 to blow up those boulders. You don't have to drop 2, I was just concerned that it wouldn't actually explode both of them. Then we use Din's immediately to remove this web and cut out a room. From here we have a couple of parasitic tentacles to kill. In general, this dungeon feels a lot better in Go mode than the vanilla one, mostly because you don't have to carry around Ruto as much, but also because using Furore's Wind and Din's Fire makes things pretty fast. Once again, we just have a boring parasitic tentacle room here. Normally you would have to pick up a box in order to put it on the blue switch here. I'm going to do a trick in order to roll into the door and open it before it locks again. I need to pause buffer it because I'm not super familiar with that trick. Now we're going to kill this tentacle and equip Furore's Wind in order to return to the main room with the holes. You want to make sure though that the jingle plays first so that the tentacle registers as being killed. Now we're going to jump down and talk to Ruto for the first time. There is an annoying Beery here, but just letting it run into you and have Ruto kill it isn't too bad. The bubble there decided to join in on the fun too. In Master Quest Jabu, this fight happens after a ton of checks normally, so we're skipping so many things with this route. I store a jump slash there in order to do a cool power crouch stab kill on the big Octo here. You just have to run into its right side, then crouch and stab. I run to this side of the platform because it gets me closer to the exit above. Now we just have to do our last equip to get Slingshot and shoot this cow. From here you want to make sure to backwalk to the door to avoid getting hit by this Beery. Immediately shoot the cow here without walking forward so that the electric sponge doesn't block your shot. It's possible to hit both sponges with one boomerang throw there, but I didn't quite get it. Now we just bring the box over to the blue switch. Unfortunately, this one's a little bit too far from the door to use the same trick we used earlier. From here, we could ignore lowering the platform. In this room, we just have to hit a switch that's in the wall. Normally, you would hit the cow 3 times and it would move up to that location to indicate where to shoot. You can grab the ledge there on a single jump. I just didn't have quite the right position. And that's it. Thanks for watching.